Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door, and I am back with another video. In this one, we are going to create a sweet little farmhouse wreath that you can use for the holidays. Now, this can be used for fall or for Christmas, and it is super easy to make and very inexpensive. Now, if you love farmhouse decor, you know that lamb's ear wreaths are really popular, and they're just leaves that are very fuzzy and super light in color, and they just have that natural rustic feel to them. And as you can see, they are pretty expensive, but I was able to find an alternative that you can make yourself. So if you're interested in making one, please keep watching. Now, I wanted to make a couple of small ones, so I picked up this 2-pack of wire wreaths in 8 inches over at my local Dollar Tree. And then I found these really cute bushes over at my local Walmart, and these were lamb's ear. As you can see, they're fuzzy as well, and they were only 97 cents, so they're even cheaper than Dollar Tree. Now you're going to want to remove the leaves, and you're going to want to cut them all individually. And then what you're going to do is take your hot glue gun and add them on to each wire on that wreath. And I started with the middle wire. And then I proceeded to do the same thing with the inside wire. And then I did the same thing to the outside wire. The only difference on the outer ring, though, is that I fanned out the leaves a little more than I did the other two. Now for this 8-inch wreath, I used 2 of those little bushes, and after going all the way around all 3 rings with the leaves, I had a few extra that I just started adding throughout. And then all you do is add some ribbon and hang wherever you like. It's that easy, you guys. This wreath cost me less than $2.50 to make, and I made 2 of them. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also consider subscribing if you want to get more content like this, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified the next time I upload a new video. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, adios.